Yo, what up team? Welcome back to another video. Alex is just up here, he's just grabbed a swing rod and he's about to start swinging down through this beautiful piece of water. It's a weekday, we've just turned up on the river. I came here especially today to try and get onto this piece of water with no one else on it, but there's quite a few cars in there. It's so foggy I can't actually see down there at the moment to see if anyone's there. Hopefully there's not, but he's got the single hand swing, I've got the double. I'll try to remember to run through exactly what we're using a bit more as the video goes on, but the river's looking really good. It's sunny up there, but actually on the river here it's actually foggy and it's freaking cold. I wish I had brought my actual jacket. It's freezing. Oh, my legs are getting cold. Excuse the noise because I'm right beside a road. We're actually about to fish a spot that we've both never fished before. I just seen it on a map the other day, or took a bit more attention to it and found that there's just a little track down here to a pool that I've never fished. I've seen it from the other side up high and I think from memory it looks good. So Alex is just re-rigging because he had a bit of an issue, and then yeah, we'll go try to catch some fish. But yeah, so oh come on, that is the plan at the moment. We just got to go catch fish. We haven't got a fish on the bank this morning and we've been fishing for nearly 2 hours, so she's pretty slow. Look how ginger this thing is. Yeah, so we've both never been here. Yeah, this is new. Almost like exploration. It's quite funny to think that we've both been fishing this river. Well, I've been fishing it for 6 years. Alex probably not quite that long, really. Would you consider?
I guess I've been fishing it on and off a bit longer than that.
Yeah, but you didn't really start fishing it a lot until after I met you, really, did you?
Really.
Alex was all about the backcountry. Now he's just an egg-bashing Tongariro fisherman.
A local Taupo's egg slinger.
I mean, we found the river, but I can already tell by looking at it that this is horrible drift. Horrible. Let's just have a go. Alright, I'm fishing. Fishing a new piece of water that I never have. It doesn't look that good at all. Looks horrible actually. Fish. First cast. No? Your net was in the car. Feels good. Yeah, I'm sure if I can get it away from that chute, we'll be right.
Feel like it's hooked properly?
It's either a nice fish or it's foul hooked. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Could you bring my camera with you? It's not even that big or anything. Oh, so one cast in the new piece of water. A nice little jack. Fought really, really hard. I thought it was a much bigger fish. I always say that, I feel like. But no net. Thanks for that, Alex. Good plan.
I thought you had it though.
Why would I have your net? First cast, new bit of water. Nice jack, first fish of the day. Super stoked. Hey buddy. Woo. It's a kill shot. Yep. Oh yeah, that was a fish. That's the spot. Got one? Alex is just hooked up behind me.
Like fishing on the flats.
What?
Yeah, flats. Oh. Yeah. Shallow, sandy stuff. Well, it's a nice sandy beach. Chill, chill, chill. That's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a really nice fish.
Fatty.
Yeah, man. Can you grab my camera?
Fatty McFats, dude.
Look at that for a beautiful fish.
or Alex.
I was trying to...
So
I don't think this was even on for the fight either, so that pretty much just never happened.
well, don't go to Alex's channel to watch this because he wasn't running his GoPro and then he just let it go straight away. So I've got very limited amount of footage on this camera, but that was a really nice fish, at least 5 pounds, full of eggs, very fresh, beautiful fish.
Rome, baby.
You landed it really fast for a fish like that.
Yeah, good prize. Beaching help, so I couldn't hang on to it.
Yeah, you always do that though. That's just what Alex does. Lets them go. Fishy! I got time for one more cast. Let's get a double. I'm in a good spot right here. You. Bit skinnier, but would have been really nice to get a photo of that other one, Alex.
Yeah, I know.
Shot, bro? On the egg again, eh?
Yeah, eggs all the way.
Eggs all day.
Look at that egg. Anyway, get you out of here, buddy.
See you, girlfriend.
Yeah, I was cleaning off a little bit.
Fish! That was weird. Didn't even eat the egg. Were you filming that when I hooked it?
No,
Is that the long lens? Here, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Not a very good fish. Pretty gross, actually. I'll do my best with him for you. Ugh. Very skinny. All right, see you, buddy. Pretty skinny. I think
you can cross that. I've seen people crossing that before.
Do you want to try?
Yeah.
I'll go upstream, eh?
I'll just stumble around here.
Let's not overcommit too fast. All right, go!
Ah!
I think if we can get to that brown shelf, I can see a fish.
Yeah.
See that fish?
Saw that. Whoa, I'm going from this way a little bit. Oh. There we go.
Okay.
Sweet as.
Okay, we're about to spook a fish. 2 fish.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom.
3, 4. There's heaps here.
Oh,
there's another one. There's like right in front of us. There's another one there on the inside.
Yeah.
You probably won't want to start fishing.
Oh, it's cold! Oh, it's so cold!
What are you doing?
It's so cold! I went on a rock. I still can't get I put no weight. Oh, it's just going down past my nuts now.
That's twice. Oh, dude.
Oh, it's proper wet now.
At least we're in the sun.
Proper wet.
Oh, yeah, look, you look like you've been for a swim.
I have.
At least your jacket was on. Double belt.
Oh no, it's just reached my toes.
Oh no.
Oh.
Alice is getting... I have got spares in my bag.
So I went to the... and went that way. The beach for a bit. Took on some water and stood up.
Now you're moist.
Now I'm real moist.
So lucky that was not in the middle. Like we just crossed, like this is a dodgy crossing. I think we often take crossing for granted, but
Here we do.
there's a big chute down there. I thought you were going to go for a second. As soon as you fell over, you started moving.
Because I had no grip. Because I got no weight.
It was bad. So obviously we're going to try and dry Alex out a little bit and see how he feels about the rest of
Oh, it'll be alright, I'm sure.
happening.
I'm pretty sure I've got some spare clothes in the car.
Well, he fell in twice today.
Twice.
I've been fishing with Alex for 6 years. I've fallen in once really good, filled up my waders completely. It was one of the first times we fished together. And then you've done it once.
Remember I did it when I stood on that tree?
Oh yeah, there's that time. So Alex, that's once. But you fell in again on the same river. Remember when you chased that fish downstream for ages? At the lunch pool?
Oh yeah, yeah.
But you didn't take on much water. So that's the third. So Alex is now winning the competition. I shouldn't say that, and I should touch some wood. Because I do not want to fall in. Oh jeez. I have fallen in once before by myself really good as well. Filled up the waders, not ideal. Always pay, especially this time of year, to carry spare clothes and bits and pieces, which I have some, and Alex has some in the car. We'll let Alex do whatever he's got to do to get comfy, and then we'll start fishing, see if we can catch another couple. I'm still pretty keen to go to the Honeymeyer.
Yep, I'm keen to do that.
Yeah, I like fishing that, but hopefully we can catch a fish or three out of here. Yep. Oh, I lost it, Alex.
Whoa there. That's a good bit of combat fishing, son.
Yeah, I like to keep our indicator. Why are you beating me? Our indicators are 6 inches apart. Now we just need the dual hook set. Yeah, fish! Fish! This is a good fish, this one, I think. Nope, just a regular old fish. I hate fighting them downstream. I wish we had a net. It's coming up to see you. Oh, I've got him bellied on a stick. He ate the Simon's Ugly as well.
Hey?
He ate the Simon's Ugly as well. Yeah, nice rainbow. Caught him right beside. Oh, I thought Alex just had one. This is my fish of the day so far. Still not super fresh or super anything, just kind of pretty average. Yeah, beautiful fish. Certainly not like one that Alex let go earlier. Yeah.
Well said.
Oh, no. We have shifted locations from Tongariro down to the Honeymeyer just so we could get a little bit closer to home, and there was actually still a bunch of people on the Tongariro. We were catching some fish, but they're all pretty small. And Alex really wants to catch one on the swing, and we just couldn't make that happen on the Tongariro, so we're going to nymph up this little bit and then definitely get the swing rod out. Different location to here, a little bit further down. Your leader is too long, right?
Mine?
Yeah.
It's too long?
Aren't you just going to hit the bottom like straight away?
Well, not compared to how it was when we fished it yesterday.
So where he's fishing right now is a really good spot.
Fish.
There it is, boom. One cast.
Right in that honey hole.
Oh.
Sick. Cheers, the old mate.
See me out if you want me to get him. Good fishing, bro.
Cheers, bro. Good fishing, That's a nice fish. You do.
Oh, Alex, come on! That was a great fish.
I did it again.
I'm gonna have to come up with a name for this guy because he just lets fish go very prematurely.
I'm not premature.
Oh man, that was a really nice fish. Probably 4.5 pound, really fresh.
Catch another one.
We'll just have to go catch another one. I'll have a go with his rod now. Fish. Oh shit. Do I still have this fish on here? Wow, that is amazing that that fish is still there. I just wound the indicator in through the rod tip and somehow I got away with keeping that fish. Caught him like right at my feet. Was that freaking net? Feels like a pretty good fish. He's bouncing around a lot.
Good fish?
Yeah, he's silver. Very strong. Strongest fish I've felt in a while. Cool. Alright, nice fresh silver freight train. Really hard fight. Cool fish. And yeah, got nothing more to say about that. Wow. Oh.
Nice job. Good
Cool.
job. Your turn.
Did you hook one down there? I thought I heard
Yeah,
you.
hooked and lost and it broke me off. Oh.
Oh, Alex. This is...
No, it's going to be good. It's going to be sweet. It's not going to be anywhere near as badly tangled as...
It looks...
Oh,
I'm either making it look worse or...
it looks pretty bad.
I'm going to give this to you. So, the video you guys just watched, that was filmed over a week ago. I'm now actually down in the South Island. This is the Twizel River. This is where I grew up. I learned to fly fish in this area. Specifically this river, I spent a lot of time on it. I can actually see a couple of fish in here spawning. I'm actually hoping to be back down here in November to try and fish these old rivers that I fished years and years and years ago. Film a week's worth of videos or something like that. But yeah, so back to the video that you've just watched. Alex fell in twice that day, and the second time that's on camera is the way worse one. He was really uneasy on his feet this day for some reason. But we generally don't fall in, but he just managed to do it twice in one day, which is pretty funny. We caught some really nice fish, especially the two that Alex caught that he let go before I could show you guys. They were great, really nice fish. And then we got to fish a little bit of water that was new that none of us have fished before. So it's always cool finding water like that and exploring new bits and pieces. Whew, can you hear that wind? I'm actually trying to hide from the wind. I'm behind some trees and stuff like that. It is bitterly cold down here. It's been freezing. Rod guides have been freezing. It's been very cold, but we've caught some nice fish. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.